The time is now 2:44 a.m. and I am going to start my ride by 3:30 or maybe 4. Uh, where? Even I don't know. The destination is yet to fix. Let's go to Shiliguri first. Then we will decide where to go actually. But it's a long waiting ride. Let's meet on the wheels. So I have started. At least 30 minutes late from my scheduled time. I was supposed to leave by 3:30, but it is 4:10 now. And from here, from my residence, I will go to Kachapara, where Bapi will meet me, and then our actual journey will be started. We have left NH34 from Ranaghat and now following the Batkula road. Can you see the fog over the field? The canopy of the trees from either side, beautiful. See the canopy? Can you see how beautiful it is, isn't it? Lovely, lovely. See the fog. Winter is knocking. This is another reason for which we do follow this road. I love this canopy. If we follow NH34, it will be missed. This is the problem of this road. The gate is closed, that's why we have to wait. Train just passed. Fortunately, not a long waiting time. So we are crossing Rajinagar now. Baharampur is still 35, around 35 kilometers from here. Road condition is okay, but don't know how long the road will be so good. But so far so good. देखो, wrong side. This is Rajinagar. Toto, auto, cycle, van, everything in the highway. Baharampur is 30 kilometers from here. We have again left the NH34 and now following Baharampur bypass to avoid the jam of Baharampur. this bypass road is along the left bank of river Ganges.
কোমরে ব্যথা? বাড়ির চাটা ভালোই হয়েছে। সকালবেলা ঘুম থেকে উঠে চা বানিয়ে আনা, সেই চা রাস্তায় খাওয়া দারুণ লাগছে। সুমিত খাও।
So we are at Baharampur now, roughly 152 kilometers from my home. Actually having a tea break. Whenever we go for a ride or any sort of trip, we always try to carry ready-made tea. There are some advantages of carrying such teas. First of all, both of us prefer black tea with very little sugar, and that is not always available everywhere. Secondly, if you do have ready-made tea with you, then you can take a tea break everywhere. You don't need to stop at congested marketplaces, and most importantly, it is cost effective also. Bapi has made the tea before leaving from home. Very nice tea actually. Thanks Bapi for carrying this. See, the Ganges is over there. We are ahead of time actually. Google, according to Google, it would take around 8:30, but we reached much before 8 this morning. So hopefully we will reach Siliguri in due course of time.
Breakfast. It's 9:10 now, and we have crossed Polsonda, nearing Morgram. Took a tea break, tea and boiled anda break. Bapi has brought boiled egg from home. 182 kilometers from my residence now. We started at 4:30. So 4 hours and 30 minutes, 4.5 hours, and 182 kilometers. Not bad. Okay.
রুটি পাওয়া যাবে
হ্যাঁ রুটি পাওয়া যাবে
গরম
বানিয়ে দেবো
সঙ্গে আর কি আছে
তড়কা চানা মশলা We reached Malda now, just crossed the Malda bypass. Total 293 kilometers covered, and Shiliguri is still around 230 kilometers. It's already one. Road condition is not that much bad. Some patchwork has been done during last 2 weeks or so. That's why potholes are not that much prominent, but some stretches are horrible still. Main problem is the tar is not plain, not even. Actually, it is undulated. So that is why some difficulties are there to ride on. But overall, road condition is good because some good stretches are there. Let's see how much time we take to reach Siliguri.
So we left Malda and now going towards Raiganj. In between near Kalia Chowk, there was very rough jam.
Actually, when I was standing in the signal at Kalia Chowk, a motor van came with metal sheets and just kissed my left leg, and that's why there was a cut in the near the knee. The wound was not that much significant, but as it was due to iron.
I think I should take a TED vac. Probably I would take it in Siliguri. The only problem is that tomorrow I will face difficulties to drive because TED vac surely will create some pain in the hand. Let's see what happens. This stage is fine. Excellent road condition. But sometimes the road is seriously bad condition. The condition of Botolbari road is not good actually. So we are avoiding that and continuing on NH 34 via Dalkola Kishanganj. There is a chance to be stuck in jam near Kishanganj and Dalkola, but considering the condition of Botolwari road, we are choosing the main road. Let's see what happens. Construction work is going on. See the road condition. Riding on such road since (2:30) or so. More than half hour. Last time when we came, this was not 4-lane. This part was not 4-lane. Construction was going on, but 4-lane was not in operation. Now there are some diversions, but in some parts 4-lane is in action. This is Botolwari road. We are not going through that.
We reached here at around 8:30. Actually the road condition is pathetic after Raiganj. Actually no road basically. There was no tar. Our bikes are parked here. My Lalmohan Babu. And this is Bapis Pitambar. Both are parked here. This is the reception. This is our room. Everything is scattered now. This is the washroom. This worked a lot. We need a good shower and this performed. I had to take a TED vac. Don't know that what will be my condition tomorrow. If there will be any pain in the concerned hand, then it will be a bit difficult to ride, but can't help as it was iron basically, so I had to take a TED vac. That's all for this video. Stay connected for more videos the coming days. Good night.